Their karma has begun. This individual wanted to be seen. They wanted to climb the career ladder. You know, they wanted to branch out prematurely. Maybe this individual was part of a group. Maybe this individual was an ex-partner, a friend, a work colleague, an opponent if you do sports. But this individual was so desperate to be seen, so desperate to outdo everyone at all cost. And now they are facing major blockages. Now the hands that this person used to receive from is being snatched away from them. I feel like for some of you, this individual tried to bulldoze their way into your lane. You know, they wanted to outshine you. They wanted to belittle you. And this is an energy that's very immature, but they will act as if they are mature. This person could be younger than you, or even if they're older than you, they act younger than you. There was something very erratic about this person's energy. You know, I feel like this person is extremely competitive, and there's nothing wrong with being competitive, because healthy competition is brilliant, especially if you're an athlete. But this is the individual that is jealous of everyone. They just want to beat everyone. If they see someone with something, even if they don't want it, they want it because you've got it. If they see someone getting attention or praise for something great that they've done, or something that they are wearing, they will quickly go and buy it as well, even if they know that outfit doesn't suit them. It's that type of energy. You know, this person may have tried to make it very obvious that they were competing with you. And this individual went as far as to try and block you from opportunities. And I feel like for some of you, unfortunately, this person was very successful. You may have seen this individual gain blessings that should have went to you, but it went to them. As you can see on this card, this man in the middle is gifting the person on the left, and the person on the right is being ignored. Unfortunately, for some of you, that was a situation, or many situations, that occurred in your life because of this individual. This person was a destiny swapper. They tried to destiny swap with you. I mention it a lot here on this channel, but I feel like this person tried to destiny swap with you. And there's an energy that this person was in, meaning that spirit was telling this individual that they were not in their own lane. You know, so this is the type of person that they won't leave a place or a situation when they know intuitively that they need to. Now, all of us have been in that situation whereby we have stayed in friendships or romantic relationships longer than we should have. And we look back and we think, why did I stay for so long? This is not that type of energy, right? I'm not saying we're all immune to this type of energy I'm going to describe, but I feel like this individual did get nudges from spirit that the position they were trying to force themselves into did not belong to them. So this is the type of person that may have forced themselves into a job, into a role, you know, when they weren't equipped to be in that role. You know, because we do know at times if we are able to be in certain positions. But this person is so proud. They wanted to show off to everyone. They wanted to lord it above everyone and look down upon others. So this is a type of person that was in certain environments, certain roles at work when they shouldn't have been there. They were in certain group dynamics when they shouldn't have been there. They forced themselves into certain areas, groups, friendships, even a relationship or relationships when they knew that they shouldn't have been there. And they got many signs warning them to let the situation or a person go, but they didn't want to, because they wanted to take from you and they wanted to take from others. So much so that they may have tried to intervene in a love relationship because they felt like, for some of you, a person that they wanted had their eye on you. And so they became an enemy because they thought that because they see themselves in such a high light, which we should all do anyway, they seek to lure, is the right word, someone away from you. But they were met with major blockages, or they are going to be met with major blockages. Someone is going to express to this individual, if they haven't done so already, through action or through word, that they are not romantically attracted to them. And I feel like this could be a partner that some of you may have been dealing with, or some of you are dealing with, or someone is going to block this person. You know, this person's going to be very shocked, because this is the type of person that generally gets what they want. You know, they have mastered the art of manipulation. This is the type of person that is very spoilt by their father, their mother, their family, you know. So they bring this energy into the big wide world, and they think that they're entitled to everything around them, including what is yours. But they're going to go through their humbling season, or they're going through it now. You know, I feel like this individual is going to be very shocked, because again, someone that they wanted, that they knew was with someone else, or that they knew was with you, is going to express that they don't want to be with them. This person tried to have a secret relationship behind your back. They tried to steal your partner, is what I'm picking up. But it backfired. You know, even this person's spirit guides were unhappy about their behavior. You know, this person wasn't content within themselves. They're very materialistic, very money focused, you know. But I feel like they wanted you to be abandoned. I've done a video on that. They wanted you to be left alone, because they're very unstable, and your independence, whether you are in a relationship or not, trigger this individual, because you are someone that is very capable of looking after yourself. You look good, you smell good, you love on yourself. And it irritated this person, because this person likes to attach themselves to people, to friends, to boost up their confidence. But when they saw you standing in your power alone, it irritated them, because it was a reflection to them of what they wanted to be, but who they felt that they could never be. But now this person's in spiritual jail. So they are now alone with their thoughts. And other people are awakening to the fact that this person is quite simply poison. They're very desperate to attach themselves to people, but people don't trust them. People want this person to stay away. All those connections that they had in the past are no more. People are abandoning this individual. I even feel like their family members are disappointed in them. This person feels a lot of emotional turmoil. People are being repulsed by their energy. You know, this person was fixated on status, fixated on, you know, maybe marrying rich. It's all backfiring now. This individual is going to be met with authoritative figures that are not very happy with this person. You know, could be the same person that they try to snatch away from you, or another person. This person may have tried to sleep with someone's husband, or wife for some of you. But the cat's been let out the bag. This person is feeling very unstable right now. Yeah, they definitely want to be a third party in your situation. I feel like this person is succumbing to devices to numb out how they truly feel. They cannot believe that they've lost in this one-sided beef with you. They wanted you to be on your own. They wanted to humble you. They wanted to have an affair with your partner or someone's partner, and it's backfiring. Even their friends don't want nothing to do with them. And this person is resulting to numb out the reality of what they're experiencing. There's an ending in this cycle.